This isn't about inspiration. This is not about motivation. This is about every single day, step by step, exactly what to do to 10x your business by somebody who's been doing it for 30 years. Give me 45 seconds to show you my product. If you don't like what you see in the first 45 seconds, Steve, I'll hang up on myself.
Most businesses come to us letting us know that they are not hitting the sales numbers that they should be or that they know is available. And so what Grant is going to do for 3 days is break down, give you the blueprint, the answers that you need, a second set of eyeballs on how to increase your sales, your business, and make your sales machine move. I'll let you guys use it for free, man. I'd love that, but free's not going to get you what you want.
One of the biggest problems that we hear from the businesses that we're working with is you're not getting the profits that you want. You're not getting the revenue that you want, and there's specific reasons that you're not getting it. The only reason that you wouldn't hit something is because you're lacking knowledge on it. Steve, when I call you back in 3 months, are we actually going to do business in 3 months, or do you want to take a look at the product in 3 months?
If your growth has been flat in your business, your sales team, and your income level, get to the business bootcamp, because what Grant's going to do is give you 3 days of tactical strategies that you can use. My life changed forever when I found out all of the things that I should be doing, shouldn't be doing, and the direction I should be running. I know you're busy right now, Dave, and listen, a guy like you is always busy, so my job is to get you information about our product, how we can increase your sales in the shortest amount of time, and if you don't like it, I'll never call you back. You got 2 minutes?
One of the things that it's absolutely imperative that you do is create a new culture, a new business culture, and a new business staff. The way that you can do that and do it now is to join us at the 10X Business Bootcamp, where Grant Cardone is going to be on stage for 8 hours a day, 3 straight days, showing you exactly what to do in 2018 and going into 2019 and the future for the new business culture and the new business staff in today's marketplace to go out there, push into the marketplace, increase revenue, and drive profits, which is exactly what we're going to show you how to do tactically, strategically, step by step at the 10X Business Bootcamp.
When you say the price is too high, are you talking about the price of the product or the amount of opportunity that you're missing?